Antariksh comes home.
Chinu, look at the sky. Look at the twinkling stars. It is so beautiful.
Yes, Meenu, I am looking for the plow shape in the stars. There it is. I found it. The plow shape.
Chinu, show it to me also. Plow shape? Where is it?
Just look at that star, Buzz. Now follow my hand and watch the stars. Can you see it now?
Oh yes, I can. Now I can see the plow shape. But Meenu, where has the moon gone today? I can't see it.
Buzz, today is new moon day. You cannot see the moon today.
We cannot see the moon today. But why?
That is because the moon goes into hiding once every month on New Moon Day.
New moon day? The moon disappears on new moon day. But I have seen the moon full and round also.
You are right, Buzz. The moon is fully round and bright on full moon day. After the full moon day, the moon keeps becoming small till it disappears on the new moon day.
Oh, it keeps becoming small till it disappears. How long does it take to become small and then disappear?
It takes 15 days.
Oh, so for a full moon to become a new moon, it takes 15 days. But will it grow back again?
Yes, Buzz, the moon grows back again. After the moon disappears on new moon day, it keeps growing till it becomes full again on the full moon day.
That's good. I was scared that the moon will not come back again. I really like the moon. Does it take 15 days again for the moon to grow back to its full size?
You are getting smarter, Buzz. It takes 15 days for the moon to grow back again.
Thank you, Chino. I am getting smart. So it takes 15 days for the moon to grow back again from new moon to full moon.
Okay, Buzz. So, tell me, how many new moon days will we have in a month then?
Wait. I am thinking. I know. From new moon day, it takes 15 days for the moon to grow and become full moon. Then it takes 15 days again to become new moon. So, we will have one new moon day every month. Am I right, Meenu?
You are right, Buzz. You are absolutely right. We have one new moon day and one full moon day every month.
I am feeling sleepy now.
Even I am very sleepy. Buzz, stop talking. Let us sleep now.
Meenu, Cheenu, come out quickly. I think a big demon has come to our house. Raja, start barking. Help, help.
Buzz, stop shouting. Someone is getting out of that thing. Let us find out if he really is a demon.
Don't worry, Buzz. Look at his size. If he is a demon, I will give him one punch and he will fly off like a piece of paper. Hello everyone. My name is Antariksh. Don't be afraid of me.
Oh, hello Antariksh. We thought you were a demon.
No, I am not a demon. So, will you be my friend now?
Oh, so you are not a demon. Then we will be your friends.
Yes, Antariksh. I am Meenu. This is my brother, Cheenu. This is our friend Buzz. And this is Raja, our little puppy.
Hello everyone. I was going in my spaceship. I lost my way. That's why I landed in your house.
Where were you going in your spaceship?
I was going to space. My family lives there.
Oh, that is why you look very different. You don't look like Meenu or Cheenu. But where is space?
Space is outside the earth. The sky, stars, moon, and sun are all in space. Oh, you have a globe in your house? Come, I will tell you something. This is exactly how the earth looks from space.
The earth looks just like this globe from space. I saw Sunita Williams on TV yesterday. She also said that the earth looks like a globe from space.
Sunita Williams? Who is she? How did she know? Did she also go to space?
Buzz, Sunita Williams is an astronaut. She spent more than 6 months in space. She went 360 kilometers away from the earth to space. In 2007, she set a new world record for the longest space flight by a woman.
Oh my god, that is really good. You said she is an astronaut. Who is an astronaut?
Buzz, an astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in a spaceship. An astronaut has to take special training to live in a spaceship.
Special training? But why?
Oh, that is because everything is very different in space. Everything keeps floating in space.
How do you know, Meenu? Have you come to space before?
Oh, no, Antariksh. I have never been to space before. I heard Sunita Williams' interview on TV yesterday. She said that she kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Even water kept floating around in blobs. If she had to wash her face or hands, she had to catch those water blobs.
That is really funny. It must have been fun to chase water and catch it.
But she said that she had most fun when everyone in the spaceship would float to the dining room and catch the floating food packets. They would then eat the food from the packets. Even her hair was standing all the time. She didn't have to comb her hair in space.
Oh, good. Space sounds fun. Does everything keep floating there? What if she wanted to just sit in one place?
Oh, then she has to strap herself to that place. Anything you don't want to float, you have to fix it to that place. That is why astronauts need special training.
Oh, that's why they need special training?
Yes, Buzz. As they cannot walk in space, they have to get used to floating around. They have to learn to do even simple things differently. That is why they are given special training.
I am very proud of Sunita Williams. I have also heard of Kalpana Chawla.
Yes, Kalpana Chawla was a fine astronaut and a brave woman.
Yes, Antariksh, she was a brave woman.
Antariksh, can we also go and touch the moon? Even that is in space.
Yes, you can. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. In 1969, his spaceship landed on the moon and he walked on the moon.
Sunita Williams said that when she was 5 years old, she saw pictures of Neil Armstrong on the moon and she also wanted to go to space. When she grew up, she first became a helicopter pilot. Then she studied hard and trained very well to join the space mission.
Will she go back to space again?
That I don't know, but she said that she wants to become a school teacher. She wants to make children understand how science and maths are closely related to our lives.
Oh, if she becomes a teacher in our school, it will be lots of fun.
No, Buzz, I think that she should become a teacher and go to all schools in India. She should not be a teacher in just one school. Then many children will learn from her.
You are right, Meenu. But why do things float only in space? Why don't they float on Earth?
That is because Earth pulls everything back to itself. It is like a strong magnet. Just like a magnet pulls all things made of iron to itself, the earth pulls everything to itself.
I don't understand. How can that be?
I will tell you how, Buzz. Look at this globe. This is how the earth looks.
I know, this is India. This is where we live. But if earth is round like this globe, how is it that we don't fall off the earth?
You don't fall off because the earth pulls you back to itself. It holds you to itself. I will show you how. Meenu, can you please give me that ball? Now I will throw this ball up. Look, it has come back to me, but in space it keeps floating.
Buzz, have you seen the waterfalls in our village?
Yes, Meenu. I have even had a bath in it with you and Chinu. I have seen it many times.
Have you noticed that the water flows down the waterfall and not up? Even when we slide in our garden slide, we only slide down and not slide up. This is because the earth pulls everything back to itself. That is why things do not float on the earth as it does in space.
Oh, so this is how the earth pulls back everything to itself. In space, everything will be floating and flying like me. Let me tell you a funny thing. I first thought that everyone lived inside the earth, like inside this globe. I thought if we lived on the earth, we would fall off.
Now you know that we don't live inside the earth. We live on the earth. We can see the sun, moon, stars and space only if we live on the earth, not inside the earth.
Yes, now I know. Now I know that earth pulls us back to itself.
Yes, Buzz. Look, now I am jumping. The earth has pulled me back. If I jumped in space, I would float.
Antariksh, have you also seen the earth from space? Does it look like this globe?
Yes, it does, but without any of these lines between countries or states. From so far away, the earth looks beautiful. I keep watching the earth from the window of my spaceship, but I can only see land and water. I cannot see any lines.
Oh, so you can only see land and the big oceans, seas and rivers. You cannot see any lines between countries. You cannot see different countries like India, America, Pakistan or Nepal.
No, because there are no lines between countries. I have a picture of the earth that I took from space. Let me show it to you. Look, this is a picture of earth from space.
Oh, it looks beautiful. So these lines between countries and states are only man-made?
Yes, Meenu, just tell me this. You went on a holiday to Delhi 2 months back. When you traveled from your state to Delhi, did you see any lines drawn between states?
No, so these lines are only man-made. What if man did not make these lines? The earth will be just one big country. Everyone in this world will be like one happy family. Then no country will fight with each other for land.
You are right, Meenu. Then everything will be peaceful. But people don't understand this and keep fighting.
Oh, Meenu, Antariksh, look. Did you see that? A star moved very fast.
Buzz, that is called a shooting star. Look at the other stars. They are twinkling and are at one place. They are the normal twinkling stars. You do not see a shooting star often. It comes only once in a while. Now look carefully at that shining object in the sky. It is moving slowly at the same speed.
Yes, it is not moving like the shooting star. The shooting star disappeared very fast. What is this shining object?
It could be a satellite that is moving in space.
A satellite? What is that?
Buzz, satellites are things that go around the Earth, Moon, or other planets.
So, is our moon a satellite? It goes around our Earth.
Yes, Buzz. Moon is a satellite because it goes around the Earth. It is a natural satellite, but there are man-made satellites also. They are machine put in space by different countries. They help in giving weather reports, telephone connections, and television programs.
Oh, do satellites help in mobile phones also?
Yes, they do. They help in mobile phone connections. They keep going round the earth, and if you look carefully at the sky, then you can see them sometimes.
Oh, there are so many things to watch in the sky. But why can't we see the moon, stars, or satellites in the daytime? Do they go and hide somewhere?
No, Buzz, they don't go and hide anywhere. They are in the sky. But the sun is too bright during the day. It is much more brighter than these stars and the moon. That is why we cannot see them during the day.
Okay, Buzz. Do you want to do a magic?
Magic? That's fun, Antariksh. Let's do it.
I need 2 stones, one small and the other a little bigger. I also need papers to make a thick roll of paper. Then a string and pictures of an ant and an elephant. Can you please get these things for me?
Oh yes, Antariksh. I will get them for you. Here are all the things that you asked for. Now show us the magic, please.
First, let us make a thick roll of paper like this and keep it aside. Then, let us tie the small stone to one side of the string. I will paste the picture of the ant to this stone. Now, I will put the string into the roll of paper. On the other end, I will tie the bigger stone. Now let me paste the picture of the elephant to the stone. Meenu, can you now hold the paper straight and move your hand? You should rotate the small stone.
Yes, Antariksh. Let me rotate the small stone.
Oh, Meenu, look! Look, it is magic. The ant is pulling the elephant. Antariksh, this is a real magic.
I also like this magic. Okay, now I have to go. It was really fun to tell you everything about space, but I have to go back to space now. My family will be looking for me.
Antariksh, will you take me also to space? Can I also come with you? I want to go to space.
Chinu, wake up! Meenu is shouting.
I want to go to space. I want to go to space.
Wake up, Meenu! You cannot go to space now. You have been dreaming. What did you see in your dream?
A spaceship came to our house and I saw Antariksh too. He said he will take me to visit space. It was a very beautiful dream, Chinu. You woke me up. Otherwise, I would have gone to visit space with Antariksh.
Oh, dreams are a lot of fun. Space is also such a lot of fun. Friends, have you seen the full moon? Do you want to do a fun exercise? Take out your notebook and make columns like this. Just observe the moon every night. Write the date on top and draw the shape of the moon. Keep doing this for 1 month. It will be fun to watch the moon change its shape.
Will you do some fun magic with me, friends? Take a 1 rupee coin and a small piece of paper. See, the paper must be this small. Now, hold the coin in one hand and the paper in the other hand. Drop them at the same time. What happened? Do it and tell me what happened. Then, put the tiny paper on top of this coin and drop the coin. What happened? Just do this magic and let me know.
Shall we help Parrot match correctly? Sunita Williams. Astronaut. Neil Armstrong. First man on moon. Space. Everything floats. Satellite. Goes around Earth and other planets. Shooting star. Moves very fast. Will you tell loudly which of the following are true and which are false? Buzz will put your answer in the spaceship. The Earth is flat.
False. The moon keeps changing its shape. True. We cannot see the moon on New Moon Day. True. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman in space. False. Earth is like a magnet pulling everything to itself. True. We do not need special training to be an astronaut. False. The Earth is in the solar system. True. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian man in space. True. Everything floats in space. True. Friends, you have to give a one-word answer now. When you give the answer, try to talk like Antariksh. A natural satellite? Moon. Time taken for a new moon to become a full moon. 15 days. The Earth looks like this from space. Globe. The moon is full and bright on this day. full moon day. This woman went 360 kilometers away from Earth into space. Sunita Williams. A person trained to travel in space. Astronaut. The first man to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong. Two things that you can see in the night sky. Stars, moon. You cannot see the moon on this day. New Moon Day. Let's help Parrot fill in the blanks correctly. Friends, will you also write the answer in your notebook? The moon becomes small and disappears every days. The moon becomes small and disappears every 15 days. We have one new moon and one every month. Full moon, we have one new moon and one full moon every month. Went into space. Kalpana Chawla went into space. And is a person who travels in space. Astronaut and astronaut is a person who travels in space. The moon is a of the earth. Natural satellite. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth.
set a new world record in 2007 for the longest space flight by a woman. Sunita Williams set a new world record in 2007 for the longest space flight by a woman. Was the first Indian to go to space. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go to space. Lines on a globe and between countries are man-made. Lines on a globe and between countries are man-made. Friends, will you answer these questions? You can write the correct answer in your notebook also. Where is space? Space is beyond the earth. The sun, moon, and stars are all in space. How does the earth look from space? The earth looks like a globe from space. It looks blue in color. That's why it is called a blue planet. Who are astronauts? Astronauts are people who travel into space. They are specially trained to travel to space and live there. Why do astronauts need special training? Everything keeps floating in space. Astronauts cannot walk in space. They can only float. So they have to learn to do things differently, for which they need special training. Who is Sunita Williams? Sunita Williams is an astronaut who spent more than 6 months in space. She went 360 kilometers away from Earth in a spaceship into space. In 2007, she set a new world record for the longest space flight by a woman. Who was the first man to land and walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon in 1969. What is a satellite? A satellite is a thing that moves around the Earth and other planets. It can be natural or man-made. The moon is a natural satellite that goes around the Earth. What are man-made satellites? Man-made satellites are machines that are put into space to give weather reports, telephone connections, and TV programs. Do things float on Earth like in space? Why? No, things do not float on Earth like in space. The Earth pulls everything back to itself. It is like a strong magnet. Even though the Earth is round, we don't fall off the Earth because it pulls everything back to itself. How does the Earth look from space? Earth looks like a globe from space. One can see only land and sea on Earth from space. One cannot see any lines separating countries or states. Lines are all man-made. Why do you think that the Earth looks mostly blue from space? What if there were no man-made lines in the world? Would the world be a happier and better place to live without any wars or disputes?